Good net shot. Ooh, stays in.
Anders Antonsen complained that the service judge's cough disrupted his return in this rally. He believed that it affected his concentration, causing him to lose focus and ultimately lose the point.
He was coughing.
In all my years of watching badminton, this is the first time I've seen a player protest to the umpire over something like this. Everyone was surprised and confused by his actions.
I've never heard of that before, Steen.
I'm starting to feel pity for the service judge.
I mean, what if there's a noise from the crowd? You could say, okay, we need to play a letter game.